during the holy month of Ramadan, this is the time na we expect our Muslim brothers, especially yung mga extremists, if they really are Muslims, dapat wala nang ganito. Na i-ambush nila yung mga police, yung mga military namin. This is supposed to be parang ceasefire month, no? But what was worrisome about that ambush, there were pursuit operations, and if I'm not mistaken, the leader of that ISIS group surrendered to the provincial government. Bata pa sila, mga 15 years old. They can't even speak Tagalog. They can't speak only Maranao. And that's proof that these groups, extremists, are staying in the pinakabukid na area, away from everyone. Now, that is a symptom of a failure within the BARM area, which we are addressing under EDCOM 2. This